short fire flip. She's a boss, she's a bitch. I take that as a compliment. I've been trying not to go off the deep.
Hey Diamonds, it's your girl Eva Tarae, right back in the saddle with yet another video. If this is your first time joining us today, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Again, my name is Eva Tarae. Please take a moment to click that like button, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, show your girl some love, become a part of the Diamond Squad so you'll know as soon as I drop another video. Now Diamonds, I don't know if you're in the know, but I recently celebrated my 40th birthday. I know, oh my God, 40 trips around the sun, right? But it is definitely a blessing in this day and age. And for my birthday, one of the presents that I received, I was gifted by my brother, was this, I believe it's pronounced Acevivi or Ace. Yeah, Acevivi is what I'm gonna go with. It's actually a foot spa. And funny story, I'll tell you about that during the unboxing and stuff, but we're gonna check it out. We're gonna see what this bad boy is all about. So if you're interested in checking out my foot spa, you know what to do. This foot spa was packaged very, very well. The product is fairly light. It weighs about 10 or 11 pounds. I'm absolutely loving the dust bag. It's great for storage when it's not in use. The pouch contained a quick tip card, which also included a thank you from the company and an instruction pamphlet. The user manual included precautions and tips for using the foot spa. The spa also came with 4 wheels. They're super easy to put on and definitely help with transporting the spa from one area to another. You guys, I just can't get over this dust bag. It is everything. I don't think I've ever had a foot spa this nice. I love that it has a plastic cover for the dust as well. Definitely you'll keep it protected while you're not using it. So now I'm going to just go ahead and check it out a little bit and put those legs in. A quick peek of the inside. It does have a handle, very sturdy, does have a spout to empty the water also, and a place for you to put your extra, nail files, things like that. There are some controls up at the top. It does have some hard rollers, a pumice stone, some massagers in there as well. I'll show you that in a later clip. Let's flip it over and get those wheels in there. The wheels insert easy peasy. They just snap in. You just have to apply a little pressure because there's like a lip you have to pass it through. Here's a look at the inside. It has 2 bar rollers, 4 round massagers, a pumice stone, and that round little orange circle is a heat indicator. The controls are at the top. It's the on and off button, the controls for the heat, bubbles, the massagers, and also the timer. This foot spa is super deep, so you'll have plenty of water to add your products, add soap without it bubbling over. The cord is nice and long, which is a definite plus, so you won't be tied to one specific area. So I could definitely give this product 2 thumbs up. All right, diamonds, I hope you enjoyed the mini video of the unboxing of the Acevivi foot spa. I am going to play around with this bad boy. I do pedicures to myself very often, and I would love to show you what I do. So look for that video definitely shortly, as I'm sure I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this bad boy. If you want to check it out or purchase it, a link will be below on Amazon where he purchased it from. And diamonds, as always, until next time.